Are you easily distracted or find it hard to stay still for too long? These could be signs of ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Here are 5 key symptoms you should know. 1. Inattention. You may often overlook details, make careless mistakes, or struggle to stay focused on tasks, especially ones that feel repetitive or boring. 2. Hyperactivity. There's a constant need to move, fidgeting, tapping, or restlessness, even when it's not the right time or place. 3. Impulsivity. You might interrupt others, blurt out answers, or take quick actions without thinking them through. 4. Trouble staying focused. You often lose track during conversations, lectures, or reading. Your mind drifts even when you're trying to concentrate. 5. Disorganization. Losing things like keys, notebooks, or your phone often. It's a common symptom. Planning and managing time can also feel overwhelming. If these symptoms feel familiar, either in yourself or a loved one, it might be time to speak with a mental health professional. Early recognition leads to better understanding and effective support. ADHD is real, manageable, and nothing to be ashamed of.